Hi there, today is 18th of August, and today I'm sure here how's today my profit or loss in this NSE market, National Stock Exchange of India Limited. So, I'm beginner here, and as per my logic, I'm trade, and of course, I'm not here to show you or tell you how you can trade. I'm just showing here how I trade, how I'm trading in live market, and my making the profit or loss I'm showing here live in Zerodha. So currently my trade going. I'm taking the trade of this L&T Finance. I'm in selling side after the market too much rising. So I take the 100 of quantities, and I am of course always prefer to low risk and high risk reward ratio. So I'm taking this 7.60 as a stop loss, and my expectation of this equity stock for um, just hold 1 minute. Yeah, so as you can see here, it's opening this chart, L&T Finance of this chart, and it's almost it's the time frame of 5 minutes, but I'm not prefer to use the 5 minutes time frame. It's the almost the 15 minute time frame. So somewhere I'm learn the week, if week is up, then the next week or next candle will be down. The downtrend will be, it will be start the specific stock. So that's why I'm here at the higher of time. I just take the selling side here, and of course at that moment I'm in Nifty also too much rising. So it's also indicated the, you know, the, if you see here the lower side, the last candle is 379. It's almost the near the bottom, and so that's why I'm taking the selling side in this L&T Finance. But I would like to mention here how I trade here. So here is the trend line. Already I did it just. So that kind of this channel, I just use it to draw the trend line here in Zerodha. And of course in studies, what I'm using moving average 200 days of EMA, pivot points, VWAP, RSI, candlestick pattern, MACD. So as you can see here, here is MACD, here is the RSI, which is denotes the that number 74 is almost done. Then this is the Nifty chart, and time frame is 15, and of course that's it. I'm just doing that like that. I'm waiting to that kind of the, the pivot. It depends on pivot points. I am taking the range of buying or selling, and of course personal my predictions are also there, and news based also some of time I'm take the trade. um, well, for this is here my 648 or 653 is my today's trade, loss or profit in this market, and here is the orders. If you want to see, you can pause the video and show, you can watch this how I trade. Here is the starting of this time, 9:24 o'clock. I trade start here, and of course I'm again tell you, as a beginner I'm trade like this. I'm not recommended you to trade like me. If you like this video, just like it and subscribe me. I also like to trade only on in Nifty, because Nifty or buying Nifty, it's the best part to make a decent amount in this market, but with the stop loss. And of course, taking a little risk and high risk reward ratio, it's not the big issue. As you can see also, I would like to mention here, my opening balance was 20337, and that's it. And I'm not ever uh, taking too much. If you saw my past videos, I'm always taking the little investment and making the highest profit. So well, for now this is for done today. Thank you for watching again, friends. I think I need to close these positions, or I can trail this stop loss, because I don't want to lose